A massive shift is happening in the global workforce. AI is replacing jobs at an unstoppable rate. Machines are learning faster than humans ever could. They analyze data, predict outcomes, and make real-time decisions. Robots are performing tasks that once needed human hands. Automation is taking over industries across the world. From factories to offices, AI is eliminating traditional jobs. But does this mean the end of human employment? Or are we entering a new age of AI-powered work? Will AI create more jobs than it destroys? Can humans and machines coexist in the workforce? The world is at a turning point in economic history. Some believe AI will leave billions unemployed. Others think AI will unlock new opportunities for all. The truth is more complex than we imagine. Today, we explore the future of jobs in the age of AI. Stay with us as we uncover the impact of automation. Like and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology. 1. The rise of AI in the workplace. AI is revolutionizing every major industry. It can perform tasks that once required human skills. Machines now handle logistics, manufacturing, and even creative work. AI-driven robots assemble products faster than any human worker. Automated warehouses need fewer employees than ever before. Customer service is handled by AI-powered chatbots and assistants. Algorithms analyze financial markets better than human traders. AI writes content, designs graphics, and even composes music. Law firms use AI for legal research and case analysis. Hospitals rely on AI for diagnosing diseases and treatment plans. Transportation is shifting to AI-driven self-driving vehicles. The list of AI-powered jobs is growing every day. But as AI replaces traditional roles, new questions emerge. Are we witnessing the end of human jobs? Or is this the beginning of something entirely new? 2. The jobs AI is replacing. Millions of jobs are disappearing due to automation. Factory workers are being replaced by robotic systems. Retail stores are moving toward cashier-less AI technology. Financial analysts are being replaced by AI-driven algorithms. Truck drivers are losing jobs to self-driving technology. Writers, editors, and content creators face AI-generated competition. Doctors rely on AI for diagnosis, reducing the need for specialists. Legal assistants are being replaced by AI-powered research tools. Bank tellers and loan officers are being phased out by AI banking. Even customer service roles are disappearing with AI chatbots. AI is now handling jobs that require human decision-making. It is faster, more accurate, and does not need rest. As automation expands, millions of traditional jobs will vanish. But will AI create enough new opportunities to replace them? And how will society adapt to this massive shift? 3. AI-powered jobs that did not exist before. Not all AI advancements lead to job loss. New careers are emerging that never existed before. AI engineers and developers are in high demand. Data scientists are needed to train and improve AI models. Machine learning specialists are shaping the future of automation. AI trainers teach machines to understand human language and emotions. Cybersecurity experts are needed to protect AI-driven systems. Ethical AI researchers ensure responsible use of automation. AI-powered healthcare jobs are revolutionizing medicine. Augmented reality and AI-driven gaming industries are booming. Companies need AI strategy consultants for business transformation. Robotics technicians are designing and maintaining intelligent machines. AI-assisted therapists are using technology for mental health solutions. Jobs will not disappear, they will evolve into new forms. But are humans ready for this rapid transition? 4. The future of human and AI collaboration. AI is not just replacing humans, it is working alongside them. The best workplaces are combining AI with human expertise. Doctors and AI systems are diagnosing diseases together. AI-powered assistants are improving productivity in offices. Artists are using AI to enhance their creative work. Human workers manage and supervise AI-driven machines. AI helps scientists analyze data for faster discoveries. Construction workers use AI-powered tools for precision work. Teachers are using AI to personalize student learning. AI-driven automation is reducing human workloads. This new collaboration is making industries more efficient. But will AI always remain under human control? Or will it eventually make human roles obsolete? The balance between human and machine labor is shifting. How far should we let AI take over? 5. The AI-driven gig economy. Freelancers and gig workers are adapting to AI tools. AI is helping individuals work faster and smarter. Freelancers are using AI for design, writing, and programming. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are integrating AI-powered services. Self-employed workers can now automate repetitive tasks. AI-generated assistants help with time management and organization. Gig workers use AI to improve marketing and customer outreach. Businesses are hiring AI-assisted remote workers for efficiency. AI-powered platforms connect workers with the right job opportunities. Automation is lowering costs and increasing freelancer earnings. New income streams are emerging in AI-driven fields. But will the gig economy become fully automated? Will AI replace even independent contractors? The gig economy is evolving, and AI is leading the way. The question is, how do humans keep up? 6. The rise of fully autonomous businesses. A new era of AI-driven companies is emerging. Some businesses are now operating with little to no human involvement. AI-powered management systems make real-time decisions. Automated supply chains adjust production without human input. AI-driven marketing tools predict customer needs before they arise. Robotic assistants handle everything from finance to customer service. E-commerce platforms are run by AI recommendation engines. Self-learning algorithms optimize sales and inventory automatically. Autonomous AI startups are disrupting traditional industries. AI-powered chatbots replace human sales teams entirely. AI-driven analytics tools make complex financial decisions. Smart factories operate 24/7 without human labor. The world is witnessing the birth of fully autonomous corporations. But will businesses still need human leadership in the future? Or will AI become the CEOs of tomorrow? The future of jobs is being rewritten by artificial intelligence. Millions of roles are vanishing, but new opportunities are emerging. AI is transforming industries faster than ever before. It is not just replacing humans, it is reshaping the entire economy. The AI-powered workforce is already here, and it is growing. Some will struggle to adapt, while others will thrive. The key to survival is learning how to work with AI. Education, skills, and adaptation will determine future success. Will humans and AI coexist in the workforce? Or will machines eventually take over every job? The AI-driven economy is coming faster than we expected. And the choices we make now will shape our future. What do you think? Will AI destroy jobs or create new ones? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe.